Hello delightful, today we are making Nigerian jollof rice that is perfect for any party or family gathering. I will show you the cooking and seasoning techniques to achieve a perfect smoky jollof rice, and I will also show you the secret of making a flavorful smoky jollof rice from start to finish. So make sure you watch the video to the end, and we'll start by washing the chicken. Please don't miss the step of washing your meat before cooking. You can use any meat you prefer, but chicken and turkey give jollof rice a rich and flavorful taste. I sprinkle some salt on the chicken before washing. So after washing, I will transfer it to a pot and then season. A rich meat broth is one of the secrets to a smoky and delicious jollof rice. Then we are going to season with some grated onion, a tablespoon of curry powder, a tablespoon of dry thyme. You can use the fresh one if that is what you have. A tablespoon of ginger and garlic powder, a tablespoon of mixed spices, and 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning powder, a teaspoon of salt, and lastly a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Then we'll mix to combine and cover to simmer over low heat for 10 minutes without adding water. So after 10 minutes, the meat has sweat out its own juice. Then I'll add more water and cover to cook for additional 15 minutes for soft chicken and 20 to 25 minutes for hard chicken. Now let's move to the tomato meat I'm using. I have 3 big red bell pepper, that is tatashe, 5 big chili peppers, that is shombo, 7 fresh tomato, 1 green bell pepper for extra flavor, 2 scotch bonnet, that is atarudo, ginger and 2 garlic cloves, and 1 big onion. So I will rinse and deseed them and cut them into smaller sizes and keep to use later. In a dry pan, heat some vegetable oil to fry the chicken. You can air fry or grill them, whichever you prefer. Then I add some chopped onion to build in flavor and begin to drop the meat to fry on both sides to golden brown. Sometimes I fry my chicken halfway and perfect it with air fryer. Next is to sieve the meat broth to prevent pieces of chicken bones from entering our food. So now guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel and you like the video, please go ahead and click the subscribe and notification bell so you will get notified each time I post a video. Like and share this video. Thank you to my subscribers. I love you guys so much for always coming back to watch. God bless you all. Once the meat is well fried, we'll take it out. So now the meat is properly fried, so I will take it out. So after taking the meat out of the oil, next is to pour the chopped peppers and tomato into that same oil to fry or to boil. This will enhance the flavor and make our stew base to taste so great. So we're going to boil it down until the water in the tomatoes dries up and it will remain the oil. This will take like 20 to 25 minutes on a medium-high heat. So as you can see, the water has dried, so we're going to take it off the stove and blend till smooth. I learned this method from my mom. The aroma of this tomato maize is heavenly, I swear. Now we are going to blend the tomato maize till smooth. Now in a dry pot, we are going to heat some vegetable oil, not much because our tomato maize contain some oil. Then we're going in with some grated onion. If you are making jollof rice for an occasion, grate or blend the onion. Is not everyone likes to see chunks of onion in their food. Then add a tablespoon of thyme and few bay leaf. I love to add these two at this time to release their aromatic flavor and give the stew extra layer of taste. Please use it to in moderation to avoid overpowering the stew. Fry it for 10 to 15 minutes until you begin to perceive the aroma. I'm using 210 grams of tomato paste. Each time I'm cooking jollof rice, I use more of tomato paste and bell pepper to get that vibrant red color, so take note. Fry for a few minutes until the salt taste reduces. Stir continuously to prevent it from burning. Once you taste and it's okay, add the blended tomato maize. No need to fry it too long. Next is to season the stew with a tablespoon of curry powder, a teaspoon of mixed spices, and a teaspoon of nutmeg. And a teaspoon of chicken seasoning powder and salt. That is all. Stir to combine and the ingredients blend. So while that is frying, next is to wash the rice. I'm using 5 cups of parboiled rice. I will wash it multiple times until the water is clear. This method reduces the starch content and helps the rice not to burn too much. Add the washed rice to the stew base and stir to combine. Thereafter, add some part of the meat broth. Stir and cover with the lid and cook until the liquid reduces and remains small. And cook over medium-low heat. This method, when you boil your rice over medium-low heat, it helps to reduce the amount of rice that will burn. This will take about 30 to 35 minutes for this rice to be ready. After 25 minutes, I check on the rice. It's halfway done, so I'll stir it gently, so that the damp part of the pot will get more liquid and the rice will cook uniformly. And at this point, you can cover the lid with foil or parchment paper. This will help the rice to steam cook and will achieve a smoky flavor, because when you allow the rice to boil and burnt a little bit, we're going to achieve that smoky patty jollof rice flavor. So at this point the rice is done. I know it looks sticky, and this is exactly how it will look after the rice is done. So we're going to cover and allow it to cook some more, and it's ready. So our smoky Nigerian jollof rice is ready. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So thank you so much, and see you in my next other video.